Today we will be making beef patties with onions. Heat the pan. Add some sunflower oil. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Fold your beef patty. Put your beef patty on the pan. Remember to flip your ground beef patty. Add some salt and pepper. Put your onions on the pan. Make sure your patty and onions don't burn. Place your patty on a plate and top with fried onions. And now it's time to enjoy your meal. What would you like to see on the menu next? Feel free to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. With your support, I can invest in a better camera to bring you even higher quality content. Thank you for watching.